Good morning, dear students. So, in this audio lecture, in this audio class, we are going to listen about the grammatical topics at the end of this lesson. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the lesson what $1 and 11 cents do, and also that we have discussed about the vocabulary topics. And now we are going to discuss about the grammatical topics about the question mark and the exclamatory mark. Question mark and the exclamatory mark. Dear students, so before going deep into the topic, first of all, I want to say about our English language. Our English language was very famous language. Our English language doesn't talk about only the words, but also it talks about different types of marks, question marks, exclamatory marks, commas, and full stops, and all these. So each and every mark in the English language has a separate meaning. So for the better understanding of the text, that means after reading each and every paragraph, for the better understanding of the paragraph, we should learn what the role played by these quotation marks. I mean, what is the role of the question mark and what is the role of the exclamatory mark. So, students, in this class, before beginning, so we should learn about the quotation mark and also about the exclamation mark. Okay, students. So question mark and exclamation mark has also has the meaning of a separate, which gives an additional meaning to the text or a paragraph which we are going to read. So, what is the meaning of the question mark and what is the meaning of the exclamation mark? So, let us study. Now, here he has given an instruction. So, read the instruction. So, the instruction is read the following conversation, paying special attention to the use of question marks and exclamation marks. So, according to this instruction, he has given the following conversation saying about the question marks and the exclamation marks. Okay, so what is that conversation? Let us see now. So now a person called Goliath, and he is challenging the country of Israel, and he is talking about the David. Okay, now so the conversation is starting like this. So in the middle of the conversation, we can see that the uses of question marks and the exclamatory marks. Okay, students. So now I am beginning the conversation. Listen carefully. Goliath is shouting, "Where is the champion of Israel?" shouted Goliath. Full stop. Now Goliath, he is challenging the country of Israel and he is shouting, "Where is the champion of Israel?" So he is shouting, "Where is the champion of Israel?" Question mark, shouted Goliath. So here in this sentence, there is a separate meaning for the question mark. So why a question mark is used? The question mark is used when a person is in doubt. Listen carefully, note down this point. Question mark is used when a person is doubtful about an instant, or when a person wants to know something about an instant, then at that circumstance, at that situation, question mark is used. Understood? So now Goliath, what he is doubtful about, what he wants to know. So by seeing the question mark, you should question yourself like this. So what the Goliath is shouting? For what he is shouting? He is shouting for the champion of Israel. What Goliath wanted to know? He wanted to know about the champion of Israel. He wanted to know who is the champion of Israel. So for expressing a question, Goliath, for expressing a question, he used a question mark in this sentence. Who is the champion of Israel? So that he wanted to know. So now, what he is saying in the next sentence, let him come and fight with me! Exclamatory mark. Now he shifted to exclamation. He in the first sentence he used the question mark to know the details of something, and in the second sentence he used the exclamatory mark. Why he used the exclamatory mark? Listen carefully, note down this point if you can. Exclamatory mark is used to express strong feelings. So for expressing the feeling of amazing, for expressing the feeling of astonishment, surprise, angry, tension, so joy, happiness. So to express all these feelings, English language separately uses a type of quotation marks. Those are called exclamatory marks. Now in this sentence, Goliath is expressing a type of feeling. Goliath is anxiety. Goliath is anxiety to know about the hero of Israel. So when he came to know about the hero, so he was surprised to know that fact, and he was expressing a feeling, asking, let him come and fight with him. So to express certain feelings, we use exclamatory mark. Okay, students. I hope that you understood about when to use a question mark and also when to use an exclamation mark. So for these two questions, I am giving a recap. A recap. First, for question, for expressing a doubt or to know something, we use a question mark. And to give a feeling, I mean an expression, then we use exclamatory mark. Okay, students, keep it in mind. Now, students, you can understand what is the meaning of question mark and what is the meaning of exclamatory mark. Now he has given an exercise. Students, you follow this one. Now read the following conversation and use a question mark or an exclamation mark wherever necessary. So he is asking us to keep the question mark and exclamatory mark whenever it is necessary. First one, test. I want to buy a miracle. How much does it cost? So after the word cost, we should keep a question mark because tests want to know the cost of the item. So we should keep question mark. The shopkeeper. I am sorry. Now the test is asking why. So she wanted to know what is the reason why. So we should keep a question mark here also after why. So like this, you have to know where to use question mark and where to use exclamatory mark. Okay, students. Now coming to the second section, use of apostrophe. Apostrophe in possessive case of nouns and contractions. We can know about apostrophe in next class. And my dear students, let us meet in the next class. I hope that you understood about question mark and exclamatory mark. So after completion of this video lesson, you have to write down the exercise and you have to post the same in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, my dear students.